Yeah, can you gather than 10 million?
10 million.
Okay. And then 1,000.
1,000, okay.
Yeah, Chabako 5.
Okay.
T. No be I'm fine with him.
Okay.
Net trying to be. Obua, no, for a child, I did me new, Miss Utan is saying, over also me trying to find them.
That's all trying more.
If I see the bad thing.
Rich now,
be brave.
it's you trying to be brave, no money. Now, and then why for power?
Minister's clothing.
Relax.
Yes,
oh, we're rushing too much. Relax. It's a simple question.
And then we need good mood. When I'm having Timmy. Weekend we need good mood.
Yeah, me nyama or rush it. To boss after me do am do room. That's all problem. Me see no why you fit.
Me that's it.
That's all. As the whole Jesus now tell -4. Because all thing is a question. Spell a cat. What's now to who a cat is. What is a cat?
Explain no define.
But every one production
Minister's clothing.
Only production.
Yomuna.
Na oh he.
Fe. Oh he. Edi asheme. Minister's clothing.
Yeah.
Me wi am do na ma be ma. Anytime bia opese. Omo dress u bia. Obe o kama.
Okay, sorry.
Ope bia hu.
Me ala. Oh, na say me we be 20.
Oh, be 20. Okay.
So
Obet need na ba studio ha.
You have to wait for him to
nyamatre. Me say obet me yini na dia ba studio ha.
Yeah ba, o chira pa be ni ya ba.
Ba ko 20. O chira wo ba fabra.
Ba ku bia so ye be 3 million.
3 million. Okay. Bati. Enkwai.
Ba say ne na tari na de be adwuma.
We are am de bai.
Oh, we you tari na ma. But I didn't cover. If I talk about
Minister's clothing.
Yeah, very nice.
Almost no fe papa.
And you United the to was he bedro.
And discuss Africa.
But the Premier League in the whole.
And then said La Liga ho. And as ya games so omobobi.
The apart from you no review.
Oh, say a transfer so kakra ho. Particularly say Chelsea must we can we maintain some background. Madam for Pam Chuchumchu, Brass Samuel of Samtak Farms. Oh, and I'm saying, even Friday in the crime, a friend, no far. Say, I mean, you had a form. Oh, minimum that Manchester and Sukubo gamer. Almost say a few. We can do the coffee. Manchester and Pakra. It's
room. Abusiafo and shedding your mind. Ya be okay. Na me ebe so mo. Sisi a edi Madrid nsem biem. Se Madrid e hye ni match sa aka nyina. Na sa let's go the Madrid so hye ni match sa aka nyina. Na se Barca so hye ni match sa aka nyina. Madrid will still not win the La Liga. And because in Sacraye Alba Spanish La Liga so. Last week, near say the two teams had to dig deep going forward. Barca digging deep last week. This week, and digging deep. Although before the game, we felt say yes, Sociedad for Barca have a good record against them, so we fear, but then still it can be tricky, and that's Barca for team digging deep. With what happened in game, and yet a match, I'll be say Barca for a digging deep. But Rich, the real conversation was that. In the day preceding and now Sunday, now Atletico de Madrid against Athletic Club. And they had to win. That Madrid were playing against Real Betis, another game where they had to win. But Saubekaya, in the pre-match analysis, one of the things that I'm very keen on was the fact that in that Real Betis Bompe team there's a certain Isco Alacron and also Manuel Pellegrini, who are very influential, both of them having had stints within a friend in Madrid. And in years past, Abraham Manuel Pellegrini last time was share Madrid, Abraham and friend Isco on him. So historically, there were some directions now we could tell say Bibi betting yes you were matching. Here come now Madrid still joint top with team my friend FC Barcelona. Which Madrid ball match in you normal lose. Very, very, very sad on the day. Goes from Isco Alacron. Now, it's very interesting. right when the game ended, almost every pro Barca paper, including Mundo, front page on Sunday morning was this in Spanish: occasion of gold or golden opportunity. Actually, it was Spanish, telling Barca for one say it is a big chance to go clear on top of Spanish La Liga. No, it's Yanko Koya Jumaro, Emma Team FC Barcelona. Rich, I think Hansi Flick deserves a lot of credit. ABI the man, you do maybe so I inform man. You do maybe he doesn't get all the plaudits that he has to get as a manager. But Hansi Flick has done a yeoman's job in Barca team. And I'm not seeing this based on results in Kwan. Only his last game no against Atletico de Madrid. Maybe the catcher will say one of the best strengths of Hansi Flick as a manager has been the in-game management and even the squad rotations to keep everybody fresh. Because throughout last year and a year and a half, no, one of the biggest bangs of Barca season has always been consistent injuries to key players. Pedri, Gavi, Ronaldo Araujo, Eprabebre. So how to keep these boys fresh, rotate them and get them to go in and play. Abanti Bakwana all about consistent matches, but then Abanti friend Hansi Flick knew say so Restino was Abanti friend Alejandro Balde. Or Reste Alejandro Balde, Estati Gerard Martin, Pau Kubasi, Ronald Araujo, Jules Koundé, Marc Casado, Pedri as a 6 and 8 or double pivot, Danny Olmo as a single 10, Rafinha, Lewandowski, and Abanti friend Lamine Yamal, and they keep it with an L Honor, which your ball game no. To be very honest with you, Abra Barca estati omo match no. Ade na me dream who yes Madrid match. No, my body the day before no. Because the beginning was like the Madrid game. Madrid versus Real Betis starts Now Betis for air try some very aggressive on Madrid. Sociedad did same, trying to be very aggressive on them. The difference is that whilst Madrid in this time still aggressive on them and force them to make mistakes, they tend to cramp on. Barca unusually are now being able to dig deep, manage tough times, and then use the opportunity to get goals and then win games subsequently. Which in the last 5 La Liga games, Madrid elusu mienu, adro mienu, ewini bakope. Vinicius Junior since November, just 1 La Liga goal and watch for team my friend Real Madrid. Obekaya,
Betis game no
yeah,
no out.
Me see, now after the game, Carlo Ancelotti say, if Madrid decides to play like how they are playing over the weekend, I'm going to count myself out of the Champions League against Atletico de Madrid.
Well, the point is because at the game, the Vinicius ne Kylian Mbappe minimana. The only player I'm anymore because na Rodrigo.
Yeah.
Apart from no Vinicius Junior, on Cajon, Mbappe crowd, I wasn't surprised the coach in him. Madrid Ankoi.
Over the weekend, it was not good at all.
Cry.
Na Isco Essence Oshé and to go do the knee slide there was a good one. But for Atletico de Madrid, reach 66 minutes and Abrantia Fredo, Julian Alvarez, Ebaye, the knee slide to get a job done. Rich, it was a good game for Barcelona in staying on that. Like I was saying, the pressure was there from Barca for no. Real Sociedad Fono came into the game to come and compress the pitch and then force Barca to make mistakes. What I like about them, and he said, Rich, say, they be American same way, say, so we a team now against Barcelona, now pressing on man for man. And that's what Sociedad for the year. What you do is that you leave them with 2 center backs, especially Pau Kubasi, and he said, Marc Casado, Bejimaro Asea, only as good as the Martins, no, to switch the play into the part of Rafinha and your bench friend, Lamine Yamal, to stretch and then get spaces to attack you. Or play quicker with short passes and then break Sociedad falling down. There was a goal in the opening for Sociedad, but now you're offside, and rightly so. Referee ruling up. From there, Barca grew in confidence, and then one very good thing our branch friend Robert Lewandowski. Me now for me Barca for catch me say we don't do too much work on Robert Lewandowski because he said this season I may see a lot of chances. That is true, but the contribution to team my friend Barcelona has been very immense, and like red card and Sociedad for Nhyira, it was a very good ball to the part of Lewandowski and a flicking into the part of our branch friend Danny Olmo, who was down, then brought down by our branch friend Sondo, and the first red card of the game, and then opened it up. Our branch friend Gerard Martin and the first goal, Marc Casado, and the first goal also for team my friend Barcelona. At halftime, it was 2-0. Second half, and our Barca for by Ronald Araujo Beshegu, and the finishing, and of course, Robert Lewandowski. Bono a taking deflection of a shot of my branch friend Araujo and Goal gave them 4-0. Then that was done. Which It is a bit no league no. Let's say
and you're over.
And you're over. You're over.
So your point now. It's not like Barcelona lead Real Madrid be. It's already table now. Young table no.
57 for Barca.
57, 56, 54.
Yeah.
So they're open. Because say 3 points.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just a game.
Yeah.
A slip by Barcelona and a win for Real Madrid.
And you are at least 13 matches be to go.
And you're over, sir. Still now in the league, you know, open. It's still open.
But who's the Heaven's Gate? More Barca for one start today. On yellow and blue, red and blue in the Musa. That's it. If a twisted tour, may I sure say Madrid for us will come and enjoy it all. We hope say Madrid will beef it up. But Champions League games are on them, and then they are making sure some focus on the Champions League against team and friend Atletico de Madrid. If you didn't watch Inter versus Napoli, why you? And Saturday, when my correct score was, I told everybody, say, for somebody that loves the Italian game, even before any other league, Liga may fall in love with for the very first time is the Italian Serie A. And me share so much, and I knew that was going to be a 1-1 draw. Maybe I'll be a 1-1 draw.
First leg 1-1.
Yeah.
Second leg 1-1.
So only minimum. They know themselves. The two teams know themselves. And given what was at stake, I knew that was going to happen. But Rich, there is something that I didn't expect from this match. Yeah. I think that still the Italian Serie A is the most keenly contested across all of Europe. Inter, Napoli, Atalanta, Juventus, Lazio, 58, 57, 55, 49, 47.
The reasons I don't know.
No, maybe to was it.
Okay.
The points gap between Juventus have 1 game more in hand, and then you mean that Juventus bebo. Lazio before yesterday had not played. All the Lazio points never count rich. Juventus now gets 52 points over here. On the top 5, very close. And these are teams that Obia strength and chain the other person there, and close in terms of the strength of each other. Ultimately, one team in Italy, like I said, our team where there in terms of player quality, almost better than almost everybody. Maybe in KC Milan team, no? But also application on the field of play, no, it's not getting them there. Which when the game started, na me sure say Antonio Conte team na me. Na me sure say Antonio Conte team na me. I've never seen Antonio Conte play a back four until this season. Now all back four to the extent say rich, all dominating game, you know, all control game, you know. Now everything, which if you want them, there was Frank Andre Zomo and Guisoye absent from the game. Then he goes in to go and play Stanislav Lobotka as a single 6. Adding Scott McTominay at some points, Billy Gilmore which come and control the game. Total control. And yet exceptional Napoli team, especially a Napoli team without Vice Kvaratskhelia, a Napoli team at Davide Neres Epra, Napoli team at this season, you count on players which say billing more excess surplus to demand for the English Premier League to come and get you goals. And in the match, Napoli photo went down by a very good Federico Di Marco goal. Set piece, excellent one at Tottenham. Then Napoli had to control the game in the first half. Second half, although they were trailing, to change the goal. But the brilliance of Abranti FN Stanislav Lobotka will finish on them, creating something out of absolutely nothing for Abranti FN Billing to get that equalizer and then make it 1-1 El Horviti. Napoli versus Inter ended 1-1 in the Italian Serie A. Really exciting game over there. El Horviti set Fabregas and then Rantier Eco Piemu El Rome Chromon to go and play against team my friend AS Roma. What a time it was, Rich. Now, I think that experience is probably the most important thing than even any form of education, especially in jobs like coaching. Now Roma is struggling, and the big man came to take over. Claudio Ranieri. In the last 11, 12 matches, 10 wins, 1 draw, 1 loss. Says Fabregas then ran here como Eba room on him. no match even Inter ni Napoli ni Atalanta for na yom ho adwuma and now Como got the first goal but then good control good reply for team and friend AS Roma to get a job done and we win that game no by 2-1 Honum and of course last match our games na ahyehyɛ our no a slip na so now so boys need 13 good outs after the correct score no and now games no the 13 outs I know all shine to nyame admo china games in the Champions League so why you ready rich Charlie and now me who say I ala coach on Twitter say Man United e guru na mo ho yam mobo because team na go
Yeah, Samo.
Manchester United. Oh, Momo for Cameron and so that's why I'm about to watch. Hey,
Adam. No, minimum the 20 hours of money on.
And yeah, me about
say, Saturday me catch you say.
What's up, Bessie?
Saturday me catch you say.
What's the FA Cup come Beji?
Menkasa.
What's that okay?
Ebe to akofa video ni diaba.
But Saturday no.
Me ntina baby an kase beji FA Cup.
Full of Bessie.
Me kase, yes.
Me kase ayala bisa say, inti boys intro machi and I say ani.
Me catch you say. One. Game no e be very very difficult.
No we no your brofo.
Me ba wo me.
Okay.
Me ka be si asema me kan so.
E
be de pa di amai. Especially at the Old Trafford. But the woman say we will find a way I be win the game no.
You want to find a way no.
Ama.
Are the way no way?
I don't know. Yeah, where ways I am no. And Kofi, serious o.
Hey.
Baby, I'm Manchester United ekeka de kono. Say enya funny biem o. Enya funny biem.
But
and only the emia. There be a say a gamer. Opponent needing can say na e chase game no. Your problem down low. There be even a Saramtina. Team be a son more channel 5, 4, 3 unanswered goals no. Yeah, ni Saramtin share Saramtina share first goal. Having 5 minutes to the game was saying and ever say 2-1. It tells you team no enkoye
by a coach ana.
Kakra.
Then you say you mean the anything a coach.
No, entina me say kakra. Yentimi nyi coach ni so mfrim.
So coach
say enema ekwe anke be ka say coach yade.
Coach say time
when enema nkoi na de ono ta ma oba no. No ni me say Messi no oba je.
Let's all catch it, what catch it.
And oba je.
But catch it.
Meba Amorimba no he knew say timi na nye.
But catch it mo say emfa. And I must say ono na mo pe.
One can be bia. One can be bia.
Urefi say no Richard to was it. Urefi say the very first time your friend is saying Omar Berada mo etu kwan call Lisbon to go and meet him no. The next few days after say Sporting football my last game no. A press conference with Sporting for president because that Sporting fans that you say this sketchy. That is where he explained say Wakacha United for say enka onje adwuma no mid season. Enko per summer. But Mark Panichel say adwuma no wan yini sisi a emmebiem. No so as a young Portuguese man na although the role model adwuma
ono ankasa Amorim ne say all free Portugal abeje Manchester United adwuma no. No nim say adwuma na ede.
I say ono so o ka kire mu.
Ba obe so team no won say adwuma no. Ede more.
Some of you are
atra ede. That is the love why go vi. Some Manchester United teams nkitinkitu obia so mo mcho msempo no. Yet now no any Ipswich.
What you famo boss?
That against good at the Minim say so onim say anopia married the free Arsenal ko Barcelona.
Edu mo ka oso nya abedwe no. Na last week Michel Nipa Biggie James.
Biggie.
O see you Madrid ni today nya.
Biggie there. Biggie, me jam no na from catch up say. Me Sam back na. Yen support team no. I said me anko na masaba baka. Untimi kan James or Real Madrid bra. Yendi na yem pe kwan be fa so. But on a more serious note,
the Cup should have been
something is wrong. Something seriously is wrong with the team.
Na say recruitment no. a recruitment now because which more players now nobody can play, and you see that's my worry. And they be make us same way chewa. And yes, I'm spelling doom for United fans, which it will take at the very least 2 seasons to see glimpses. This area more year Chelsea they be aggressively go and buy.
And it's true.
Like more fan more talk, some more talk, then you see if it will work out. Because 1 year there, which accomplished player when I got 50 million, to 10 players, you cannot buy.
And even we are no craft to change. They say, oh, your position on the table.
Yeah.
It means that even conference league right into me.
50 million now open conference league.
And the player be pan the way Europe. It's only more about with the United we. I could join in my catch as a chairman. Brother Bobo Manchester United.
But it was
you can't.
Was any multi Chelsea cry.
Because
Chelsea
there be this is the Maya.
Chelsea in your conference league. Udi any now in 19, 20, 17. We can have relegation. Kakitu be ka relegation.
Yankoi.
In Southampton Shawa, relegation na ka kono. Na muti ne eze munya draw against Ipswich. I might say United they reach. Still na boy snake or trap bet na.
Incheska ne entrance na. United asem there na kase ye kan the whole program you betwi dia kan enwie.
Do the 18 million nyayo.
Oh, jai there.
Why are you used to it? It means more money Arsenal for 32nd, third, you Belgian League second, third. Any would be the encounter. Arsenal they be a second, third.
Arsenal Claudio, I'm back closer na. I'm about to add any. Yeah, they say we e be fan so dwanfu. Ya na enya de. That as it. Inches kana na mo say amorim so o say the priority ni den is to win the league. Masa jai sansem na okay ka.
But Jumani Ajuni answer.
Oh, FA Cup grant me you say
long term goal. Say short term goal na amfa. But long term goal ni mbaji league.
On fan she ni team say the next be 5 years and you be league no. Who the players we na go Premier League? We mo. Oh, come on.
But you this go who Estava and Chelsea player.
Wa mo hu.
Now Brazil league.
Chescano na. Wa mo hu. Da bia mo gigi players so. O gigi players so on buy hu do mo ye. O gigi players so sa. Sa. You be ba o pass ball man go ntimi go.
Wow.
O de Chescano ni enko.
O ya United. Iko me hwe mo match hu Ghana to them say Andy Costa me di wachi a. Mu be twa Ghana twa se 50 million Ghana to. Hey.
Oh, but I've been so about Chelsea and Kobe. Anthony Corbett is unwobble.
And Betis is one of them.
Come on, shout for the call. Aston Villa.
It is a Mutimi, the body above.
Go in Jessica. Jessica, Yanko, him. I tell you, some, you better 1,000. Canina, 10 million, and you have a check.